Well, I love her, but I love to fish. I spend all day out on this lake, and hell is all I catch. But today she met me at the door, said I would have to choose. And if I hit that fishing hole today, she'd be packing all her things and she'd be gone by noon. Well, I'm gonna miss her when I get home. Right now I'm on this lake shore, and I'm sitting in the sun. I'm sure it'll hit me when I walk through that door tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there, I've got a bite. All right. There's a chance that if I hurry, I could beg her to stay. If that water's right and the weather's perfect, no telling what I might catch today. So I'm gonna miss her when I get home. Right now I'm on this lake shore, and I'm sitting in the sun. I'm sure it'll hit me when I walk through that door tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there, another bite. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky there, I've got a bite.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stumble road, I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready. Ooh, ooh. You and me go fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow.
Bet you gone fishing all the time, baby gone fishing too. Bet your life, your sweet wife gon' catch more fish than you. Many fish bite if you got good bait. Here's a little tip that I'm like to relate. I said, if you got good bait, I'm gone fishing. Yes, I'm gone fishing, and the baby gone fishing too. Went on down to my favorite fishing hole. Now I got myself a pole and line. 9-pound catfish on the bottom, claim I got him now. Took him on to mama about supper time. Many fish bite if you got good bait. Here's a little tip that I would like to relate. I said, if you got good bait, I'm gone fishing. Yes, I'm gone fishing, and the baby gone fishing too. Bird brother just about to run me out of my mind. Said, man, can I go fishing with you? Took him on down to my favorite fishing hole. What you think that brother mine did do? All the sunbound birds on the bottom claim you got him now. Took him home to mama, said he's real gone. Come on, leave me on this line. He gone fishing. Yes, he gone fishing, and the baby gone fishing too. Put him in the pot, baby, put him in the pan. Mama cook him till he's nice and brown. Get yourself a batch of butter, more cake and beer. Put the song on, tell mama you scarf him on down. Many fish bite if you got good bait. Here's a little tip that I would like to relate. I said, if you got good bait, I'm gone fishing. Yes, I'm gone fishing, and the baby gone fishing too. Bet you gone fishing all the time, baby gone fishing too. Bet your life, your sweet wife gon' catch more fish than you. Many fish bite if you got good bait. Here's a little tip that I would like to relate. I said, if you got good bait, I'm gone fishing. Yes, I'm gone fishing, and the baby gone fishing too. Bet you gone fishing all the time. Come on, baby, gone fishing too. Bet your life, your sweet wife gon' catch more fish than you. Many fish bite if you got good bait. Here's a little tip that I would like to relate. I said, if you got good bait, I'm gon' fishing. Yes, I'm gon' fishing, and the baby gon' fishing too. I'm gon' fishing, mama gon' fishing, and the baby gon' fishing too. I'm gon' fishing, mama gon' fishing, and the baby gon' fishing too.